YouTube, hear me say now, try stars, I check in again. Hear me say no man. Hear me say big up all them new subscribers, them. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for subscribe. I'm read all of the comment them and respect. You know what I mean? The next video I'm gonna release right now, that video here, I get it from over Castigar again. Basil sent me a video. I show me the lineup of for them work, how them work go, you know what I mean? Basically him carry wood chip from one location go to the next one and deliver it back and forth for 13 hours. That's how for them thing go. But in between that now, them have to do mountain climbing, so they have to chain up along the way. So you go see, you know, him do a little vlogging thing with the chain on the wheel and the whole truck them stop and thing. So I have all of that for release right after this. So hear me say now, all them new subscribers them want to stay. You know what I mean? Stay until watch the whole other video until they finish. Cause you don't know, say, maybe have some things to talk about my new subscribers. You see me? Now, we don't know when the wish for me day. Right now, we're in a furniture store called Brick. You know what I mean? You know, as a sale I go on and someone say, you know, I go come at the furniture store, come look where I go on and check out everything. So when the video here finish, we just go on a little preview what I want me to look on. You know what I mean? Governor, you know the things there already. Try stars now go there and I carry on with him. Is it? So big up everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yes, no man. Yes, no man. Yes, no man.
What?
Alright, sir.
Oh, mistake.
You're well puzzle, man. Come well lock shop you now. This is how we do our work. As you can see. My truck way up on top there. That's all, folks. Never a dull moment at Selgar. So that truck then now gets stuck on the dumper because the thing nah feed. The digester nah feed. Well, praise God now when I go up. As you can see, it's running out. Yeah. As you can see.
O our Father, who art in Zion, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come on earth, thine will be done on earth. Hallowed be thy name.
travel on again. Alright, so easily download it. And people don't want to download it. Yeah, another fun time chaining up again on the Paulson. Loud truck at work. You understand? They say fun time up there? Eh? All icy? Oh? We're sending a video back home to my family. Well, I guess it's fun time now, eh? Hey, thanks for keeping the road safe, man. And, oh yeah. Well, you have a good one. Hey, how's it going? Oh, I'm wonderful, man. Just loving it, eh? See? The man then said, chin up. You see that? All right, sir. Ready, we're ready to move again. A TriStars and Basil I did to the world. What was that? This city? Wow, what you think I got to? People, I first stop and help one another up on the road, you know? See a virgin come up with a shortcut truck, yeah? I help him removing chain so we're not feeling a motorist then way too quick, you understand? Yeah. I say razzle dazzle bazzle to the world. You understand? Having fun in BC here. Enjoying the winter. Chiwan Lisha. The bad piece. Oh, yeah, so my general? Alright, sir. Don't know, you know. We don't really care about Sutco or Chambers company ride or anything. We know, so boy, all the way a man on the road. You understand? So we have to help one another over and out, because we have to do something before something do it. Everybody have to be chaining up, you know? Beautiful Canada. Today we say a person besides to be a bitch. You understand? People then say chain up the wheel them. Or it's a charge. You understand? Where's the general? You good?
Good, man. Come
ready to touch your rod?
Up the road.
Up the road.
Up the road.
Up the road, we say. Having fun in Canada, everybody. Having fun in Canada. All the way up. Where's the bad man? You ready? One. Tell your boy. Happy Friday. Don't know if it's easy on the snow, you know?
more videos like this, please subscribe.
Too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Till you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Till you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the well in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
Hey YouTube, yes YouTube, try stars again. It's me well sit down and relax and people them set it like I own it. It's all I go on. But anyway still, yeah, you hear him there top. Don't understand. Tell me about the video. Anyway still, I want to big up my new subscribers, them. You know, I read some comment from my new subscribers, them, I tell them more time to laugh. As I say, but give thanks. I have one subscriber say, you know what? Yo, try stars, big up yourself on your videos, you know, me and my family can sit down and relax and watch it, you know, have no a curse word and them thing in that video. I mean, I say, yes, my dad, I say a word, respect for that, you know what I mean? We have our next subscribers now, she say, try stars, continue to do what you're doing, I will continue to share your videos because I like them. I mean, I say, yeah. You know, I need to start calling some names, you know, but I try not to remember, but I don't want calling a wrong name, you know what I mean? But G, we need from what I put more, big up yourself. Samuels, big up yourself. Me I watch it, I see what I go on, I read the comments, them, you know what I mean? All of my new subscribers, them as well, I say. We have next subscribers now from over the States. Him say, you know, him work for this company and him kind of like the everything about when the Jamaicans workers them come in at the store and come at the place where they work and take them delivery and whatnot. And you know, I'm proud to see all of what go on. I mean, it's a big up yourself, you know, Dan. I saw it set, man. We are doing things and we're out here and we represent all the way, isn't me? So big up on yourself. As I said, I'm going to show you some things I'm doing at the store. I look on, you don't know, I try stars, you know. So I look on all kind of things. So check out what go on, you know. Yeah, now we're in the furniture store and we are pre out what go on, you know. We are paying attention to everything. Normally they are pre that set here. You don't know what? It's a 20% off, 25% I'm not off. 75 inch. See that now? 75 inch, dog. It's a big bad TV, you know, the QLED curve. The TV tin, man. Nah lie, TV bad.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, man, I like it feel right. It feel like bedtime now, you know what I mean? I tell you, yo, YouTube, you are going on, man. That's cool, no, man. You know, we have to overdo it. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, but it's a show now, I go on another place. You know, nothing special. It's not nothing to do with chucking, nothing at all. Just by personal up and down, and you don't know, say. Some of them, subscribers, them like them thing here, so, you know, we are showing them how to go on set speed, you know what I mean? Just in case, you know, when come over and when say, you know, when I come on and say, here I go now, try to start to show me the brick. So I can go in at the brick and look 1 and 2 stuff to see if, you know, something can go on for me. Or, you know, them little thing there, isn't me? I say. So, when I say look kind of pretty-ish. For the kids. You don't know, Rasta truck have him mute them and thing, you know. You see me I say? So my subscribers, them have them, you know. So feel little ones, feel little ones, you know. Feel little ones, put them to bed and you know. See there, you look at daughter get that one here. You see me? It's a good look. Big people time now. So I go on, my peeps. So I go on there. Alright, so when I get that thing here for Wi-Fi, you know. You know what I mean? The Diva set it name, you know. You know what I mean? Diva set. Check out the Diva set. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can become a sales rep for brick. So here I go on. I want them to tell me how I'm go on and if I'm gonna buy the bed. I'm gonna sell a bed right now. Alright. See? Fix up myself and gear up myself. I'm gonna sell a bed right now. Alright, check it out.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.